Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by signing into the Google account that actually posted the review. This is required so you can edit or delete. Once signed in, open the Google Maps app or go to Maps. Google.com. Navigate to your profile, then tap your contributions and choose Reviews. That immediately lists your past posts. Don't skip this. Locating the exact review first saves time. Once you see the review in the list, you're ready to open its menu for the next actions. Now you open the specific review and tap the three-dot menu desktop or the pencil/trash icon mobile. Choose Delete if you want it gone, or Edit if you prefer to change the text or star rating. Editing keeps history cleaner. Confirm the prompt that asks if you're sure. This completes the removal or update. Make sure to wait a few seconds and refresh your reviews list to verify the change. If you edited, check the business page to confirm the new content displays correctly. Finish by refreshing Maps and verifying the review is gone from your reviews list and from the business page. If it still appears, sign out and sign back in, or clear the app/browser cache because stale data can show deleted content. Also check other Google accounts you might have used accidentally. If the review persists after those steps, file a report to Google through the app's help and feedback. Include screenshots and timestamps to speed resolution. That should resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.